Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in your CapCut. So this is a forest and I want to add a lion here. So of course I have a lion but there is a green screen. So how I can remove it? To remove it, first of all you have to select the clip which is already selected. Then here you have to go to remove BG, right? And once you click here you will get an option of chroma key. Make sure there's a tick mark beside here. So you have to click on here. Then here this is a color picker, and here if I just click and hold and I can just put it here. So this is a green color. I will select that green color and you can see it is completely removed. By the way, you can also select like this, and once you do it here you can see our green color has been completely removed in this way. And once you do that, you will get this option of intensity, right? You can always increase the intensity, because if I just reduce the intensity, you can see there is a green color border line. To remove that border line, you can increase the intensity depending upon that the green color should be removed completely. So I just want the intensity, then I want to increase the shadow here, and here you can see it's completely removed. Now when I play this video, you can see the green screen has been removed very easily. So this is the only way, one way to remove the green screen in your CapCut very easily. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.